is brilliant.
Please keep your arms and legs down and inside the ride at all times, and enjoy your flight to fright on the Big Bad Wolf. Ah-woo!
My life is brilliant. My love is pure. I saw an angel.
Hey guys, it's me again. I'm drunk, as we found out earlier. We're on the Big Bad Wolf. So, here goes nothing.
Or here goes the camera, we'll find out.
Okay, fair enough. Here goes nothing or the camera.
Dude, this is great. I can just hold it here like this with this rubber band. And hopefully not drop it. That's the key part of that. Hopefully not drop it.
We're both drunk on it.
This is like the only drop that we're going to pay for. I'm not worried about dropping it on the drop. I'm worried about dropping it.
We're stopped. I said we're gonna do something on this ride. I told Bobby earlier. And it's this is dedicated to our ride operator. Here we go. You're not looking at me, are you? I'm looking at you. Someone's looking at you. My life is brilliant. My love is pure. I saw an angel. A band of sure. You're beautiful.
You're listening to Big Bad Wolf Radio. That was I'm Beautiful by James Schwartz. Coming up is Little Red Riding Hood by Sam the Sham and the Pharaoh. Back to the Wolfman by the Guess Who. Okay, guys, here's the drop. Here's the drop. Woo! And the best part is, I still have the camera.
And I'm still drunk.